This is the Woodford RK-Y95 repair kit for the model Y95 hydrants. So on the front of the package here, it'll come with this breakdown of how the parts go and the order they go in as well. And it'll also have the list of parts that the package should contain. So we'll get everything out of the package here and get a couple measurements of each piece. So with the package, it will come with that head nut assembly here, which is hexed. And then that long T handle here. The plunger assembly. The rubber packing. The packing nut. And the yoke nut assembly. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of each piece in the kit here. We'll start with that T handle. We'll get a total length and then an outer diameter here of that brass fitting as well, or that square fitting. So the total length of the key measures right at about 3 1/4 inches. And then that square, we'll do an inner diameter of that square here. And that measures just shy of 1/2 inch. Then we'll measure the plunger assembly, which is a hard rubber plunger. And then the rod there is brass with the internal female thread there. So we'll start with a total length, and that will measure right at about 2 3/4 inches with an outer diameter of this end with the female threads measuring right at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and then we can measure the yoke nut. With this piece, it will be complete female in the female thread. You can see the threads inside there and there. We will get a total length, and it measures just shy of 2 1/2 inches. And an outer diameter of this the wider portion here, and that will measure about 3/4 of an inch. And then this end, we'll do an inner and outer diameter of this end. This one measures right above 3/4 of an inch with the inner diameter of right at 1/2 inch. And then we can measure the head nut assembly. A couple things to notice about it. It does have that hexed portion there, as well as those female threads. And then this rubber O-ring here at the bottom of the threads. We can go ahead and get a total length, and with the total length we're measuring from the end of that square piece here to the end of the threads there, and that will measure right at about 2 1/4 inches. And then an outer diameter of that hex portion measuring right at 1.5 inches. Then we'll measure the packing nut. A couple things to notice about it. It does have this opened end here, and it goes down to that hex side to the flat side here. So the total height, it'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch with a outer diameter of just above 3/4 of an inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-Y95 repair kit.